Hi and welcome to a new video, and today we are going to be unboxing the DJI RS3 Pro combo. This is the one, my old one, which I'm going to be returning because I'd ordered the wrong one. I just want to box these, so I'll show you the original one first. So here's the original one, so you can just see the RS3 Pro and you can't really see much with it, and I thought the Raven Eye or image transmitter came with this one, but obviously I was wrong, and that's that. So that's what that looks like. The website is very confusing, and that's what confused me, and other reviews kind of confused me as well. And this is what the combo box looks like. Pretty much the same layout, but you can see the three cables going down, so they've always got the image transmitter on the bottom, and on the bottom it doesn't say what it comes with. It's at the side. So this one, everything you see comes on the bottom of the thing. This one's got so much they've actually had to put it on the side. So what this should come with is obviously the gimbal, the carrying case, the extended grip, the phone holder, which is useful, the quick release plate, the focus motor, the lens fastening thing, the focus motor rod mount, the gimbal, the Ronin image transmitter, and a briefcase handle, which I've already got, which I need to return anyway, the lower quick release plate extended, the multi-camera cord, and then it just goes on to cords and the focus ring. So what we'll just do is I'll open this up here, and like so. I mean, I could just do the easy peel option, but you know why I do that when you've got a knife. Peter McKinnon, not a cool knife as a Peter McKinnon knife, but this is one of my grandma's old knives, so I've got them because I like cooking, just like before. In terms of cases, they are the same case. I can take this out as bag first. There we go. So the old one will fit in there. So yeah, in terms of the case, it's the same case. Let's just fire this open and go through it. Right, so we know under here is obviously the gimbal, tried and tested, and we love it. And in here is more items. What I'm curious to see is when I got this was totally empty, and all these pouches are full. So we'll go through this bit by bit. In here we have the phone holder. We'll just fire this back in here so we know where it is. This is obviously going to be the battery. There we go. This is the tried and tested, the same plate that I've got on just now. Here we should have the tripod, which it is. That's fantastic. I'll put that, but I'll remember to put that back in there. The briefcase handle. There we go. So now the phone holder is pretty much the only thing new. But yeah, so we've now got the really cool extended plate if I ever want to get a bigger camera. And just for comparison, I did try and see if I could buy all the extra accessories, and it was just going to cost a fortune, so that's why I ended up returning it. In here we have the focus motor itself, so that's interesting. Anything else in here? Nope. Good, I don't need to return that. So I'll just put that in there itself. And in here should be the image transmitter. So this will work with the LiDAR system if I ever buy that. This is the Raven Eye. I've actually also got a 18 to 50mm kit lens coming in. I've managed to find it second hand for £49, so I don't know how good a condition it's going to be, but who knows, we'll see. Instructions. This is the focus motor rod, and I've actually got a bit in the side for installing a focus motor as well, in case I bought it separately. I think to buy it separately is £119. Allen keys and extra screw bits for the focus motor ring. So you put this around your lens, then you program in the focus motor. Right, so hope it comes with an HDMI mini, because the Canon 90D is the HDMI mini, and then I already know about I think they've actually compensated for that anyway. Just about all the USB cables, because I've got the Canon 90D comes with a mini USB port instead of there's a few USB-Cs on our USB. This is for charging. This is for securing the lens. This is like a rubber band thing, and there's a couple of things in here. So maybe something to do with the focus motor, I don't know. And this is your lens grip. So that is what comes in the box of the DJI RS3 Pro combo pack. I'm not sure if there's anything different. What's the difference between the RS3 Junior 1 combo pack to this? If there is any difference, let me know. I'm going to get busy setting this gimbal up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.